How's it going, guys? Back again. I just sent Frank off to the snack bars. He can have a de-stress. So he's going to get rid of some of that tension he's got sliding the house. But we're there. We've got it to where we want it. Now we've got to rebuild. We've got to set these so we're no longer on soap. And a couple of them we've got to rebuild because they're too close to the side of the sty. I think it'll collapse, so I haven't got those styes in the right place. Unfortunately, it didn't go over as far as I thought it would. So we've got to rebuild probably at least 3 of the 4 styes. It's okay, we'll do that, but it's out of the way so they can do their excavation on Monday, because they're excavating right through there, taking that wall down. They've got a Besser block wall going underneath the outside of that house. So yeah, that's where it's going. And then we're going to lower the house back down to the top of that wall, because that's the height it's going to go back to. But we're there. Take a quick look, and then we'll take another video when we've got it reset. Once all the blocks are out of the way and hidden, we'll put it inside the other blocks. But yeah, as you see, like this one here, it's right on the edge of the sty. You see, that's too close to the edge of this sty. She'll want to go that way. So we don't want that. So we've got to move that sty over. So I've got to build another sty, take that sty out, put it over here in front, so I can lift the house off this sty. And we've got to dismantle that sty, then rebuild it another foot that way. And the same with that one. I think we get away with. I'll get away with that one. But all the other ones, definitely got to move 3 of them to make them safe. So I've got to move that one in. It's got to go another foot that way yet. And the same with this one over here. So it's too close to the edge. So to make it safe, another foot that way. So 6 styes to build and rebuild. That's going to keep us busy for a while. But that's the job. Okay, I'll put the plumb bobs in. We've got plumb bobs there. So we've got our correct measurement. There's the plumb bob I've secured up there. So I knew where we're at. And yeah, look at the back. They got a whole brand new structure going out the back here. That's where we're at. Okay. Till the next one. So the next one will be the last one as we reset everything, unless I find something else that needs showing. But reset these styes so they're holding the house up correctly, so there's no problem when the excavator comes through, and if he bumps them, it's not going to lose the house. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. It's been a pleasure. Hope you found it interesting, and love to hear from you. If you guys want to comment, especially on poor Frankie. It's been fun watching him go through it. I've enjoyed that. Father and son, isn't it great? Okay, all right, guys. Thanks a lot. Catch you on the next one. Not far away, as I'll do the final one on this before we go away and leave it alone for a while and come back once I got the retainer woolly. Okay, love yous. Catch you soon. Don't forget that button, subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Bang it. Slam that subscribe button for me. Okay, thanks, guys. Catch you again soon. Bye.